Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 3 best budget mechanical keyboards. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 3, we have the Corsair K86 mechanical gaming keyboard. The Corsair K86 is a no-nonsense cheap mechanical keyboard that puts overall performance earlier than presentation. This keyboard forgoes fancy RGB LEDs and accessories to expensive package. The K86 supplies smooth linear key doorway to its Cherry MX RED switches, which can be the same old switches you'd count on to discover on excessive stop mech keyboards. These keys are appreciably quieter than budget switches, even as nevertheless providing rapid journey and tactile feedback. They support full key rollover, which means that in case you pressed each key down right away, it'd register every single one. It is likewise absolutely anti-ghosting, in addition improving accuracy. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 2, we have the Gigabyte GK-Force K83 RED. If you're after the tactile comments of a few top-tier Cherry RED MX switches, then Gigabyte's GK-Force K83 RED keyboard is one of the excellent cheap mechanical keyboards you'll discover. Simply positioned, you might not find a keyboard that packs these same mechanical switches for less expensive. Are the name logo switches in reality that a lot better than familiar switches? Not as tons as you'd think. However, they could still be a point of satisfaction for game enthusiasts who love to do matters right. And their half-click activation point and tactile feedback led them to tremendous for gaming no matter their pedigree. This is a considerable 104-key keyboard with a number pad in its function row has secondary media functions. This keyboard has N-key rollover and a Windows lock key, which is useful to save you accidental interruptions while full-screen gaming. And finally at number 1, we have the Redragon K552 LED mechanical keyboard. The Redragon K552 is a compact mechanical keyboard that has earned its region most of the budget keyboard greats by using reliable sheer fee cost. Like many finances keyboards, the capture to the K552's bargain charge is that it does not use name emblem Cherry switches. Cherry switches are the gold fashionable by way of which different switches are judged, so a few deem them essential. But that's no longer completely true at the budget charge point. In fact, this keyboard packs a near imitation of the classic Cherry MX Blue switches, which can be among the clickiest and maximum responsive fashion. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this budget mechanical keyboards, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.